Hey guys, what's up? Today we're gonna drive to Lacey to Tacoma Screw again to pick up some more hardware for the Chevrolet Silverado. I'm gonna get the Ram's alignment done because it is atrocious. I'm sick of my steering wheel being off. And I think I'm gonna pick up the deck from Best Buy so that way we have Bluetooth in this truck because it's got this old terrible deck in here that doesn't have Bluetooth. I want to use Bluetooth on my new iPhone 10, you know. They got the little adapter piece and whatnot so you can use the sound, but I'd rather use it through Bluetooth so I do my calling and all that, make it a little easier while I'm driving, make calls and stuff. So, and just have Bluetooth connectivity to my phone, and then that'll be pre-set up so when we put an iPad mini in the dash, we'll just Bluetooth up to the deck, play music through there. The iPad mini will become the deck, so that'll be dope. But alright guys, on to Olympia. To get the alignment done at Goodyear here in Lacey, but my truck's too wide, so he's gonna call a specialty, he does like what do you call it, semi-commercial truck shop, and he's gonna ask him if he'll his alignment rack can do it. And then he knows another place, a dealer, that they have a pit, an old style pit alignment, so you can crawl under it no matter how low it is or how wide it is. So we'll get back on that tomorrow and we'll see what's up with that. So now let's head to either Best Buy or what's it called? Not Best Buy, but Car Toys. Nah, probably go to Best Buy because it's cheaper. Unless Car Toys is in between. But on to the next place. Hey. Alright guys, we made it to Best Buy. Let's go over to car audio section. Find us the deck. Guys, cool dude named Zach in Best Buy helped me out. Like a paper bag, Olympia Life. He used plastic in Olympia. I don't know if y'all know that. But yeah, I got a Kenwood Bluetooth, receiver. It's $100. Nothing crazy. It's got the USB in the back, the USB on the front, so that way I can hook it up to an iPad in the future when I stick an iPad in the dash. And now I can use Bluetooth to my new iPhone 10 since it doesn't have the thing on the bottom. And even if it did, I want it to be Bluetooth so it would be more convenient. And now it comes with all the microphone and everything for Bluetooth calling and whatnot. So that'll be a safety upgrade and a truck upgrade. So awesome. All right, let's get back to the house. Cougar house. Alright guys, back at Cougar House here. Let's get out some stuff so we can do this wiring. Let's see. I don't think I'll need strippers. I mainly need a flathead screwdriver to do the little bendy things on the sides. I'll bring this too. Do the little bendy things, like the tab parts. Number 1 size flathead. Another flathead's busted. Can't use that one. I need to get a little miniature pry bar set. But yeah, I don't have the little things that go on each side of the CD player for the Alpine. You know, if I got another Alpine, I could use them, but I got a Kenwood. So, all right, let's go install this deck in the Ram. I wonder why it's so easy to steal these. That's because what I just did is all you gotta do. But it was professionally installed. Cool. Guys, this kind of wraps up the video. vlog for today. It's kind of a vlog. I ran to Tacoma Screw and picked up the 3/4 inch bolts we need for the steering and the pan hard bar, and then I picked up the other bolts for the radius arm mounts that are in the Super Duty axle for the long arms to go into. And I picked up that Kenwood Bluetooth deck for $100 from Best Buy. You know, now I can have my cell phone hooked, you know, my iPhone 10, you know, it doesn't got the thing for auxiliary, but I never even really used it except when I was driving this truck because it had such an old CD player in it from like 2010 or something. So now that I have my iPhone 10, you know, now I'll use Bluetooth just like I did with my other phone, but now I can, you know, answer the phone and stuff and actually be safe while I'm driving. And now have Bluetooth connectivity for my music. And now we're set as soon as I get an iPad dash slider from soundmanca.com. Those guys, Doug Bernard's in California. If you don't watch his YouTube channel, guys, check it out. It's a little abrasive, but if you can, you know, giggle about it and take it as humor like Doug does, then you're not going to think it's very abrasive. But yeah, so now we got that. So we'll get an iPad side slider from him, an iPad mini doubled in slider mount to go in my dash, and we'll put the Kenwood behind it. We'll have the iPad in front of it. It'll be pretty sweet. So, all right, guys, in our next episode here, we're going to be working on the Chevrolet Silverado. You know, we picked up all those parts we did today. So now tomorrow we can work on that. So we'll catch you guys in the morning when we work on the Silverado. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for being here as always, guys, for your constant support. And then if you guys like what we do, you like Cougar House Garage, check us out at cougarhousegarage.com. Check us out at Facebook/Cougar House Garage. And then we are Cougar House Garage on Instagram, guys. Follow along there with all the crazy projects. We'll see you in the next episode.